Now, let's see. Where were we?
Oh, Rock Ridge.
Rock Ridge. Yes, when that railroad goes through Rock Ridge, that land will be worth millions. And I want it. I want that land so badly. I can taste it. There must be a way. Clumsy fool.
I'm sorry.
Wait a minute. There might be legal precedent. Of course. Land snatching. Let's see. Land. Sea snatch. Snatch. Ah! Haley versus United States. Haley 7, United States nothing. You see, it can be done. It can be done. Unfortunately, there is one thing that stands between me and that property. The rightful owners. There must be some way of scaring them off, of driving them out, of getting rid of every human being alive. Oh, it's down the hall and to the left.
No, sir,
What?
sir.
What?
I got it.
You do? What?
I know how we can run everybody out of Rock Ridge.
How?
We'll kill the firstborn male child in every household.
Too Jewish.
Anything else?
Just this urgent telegram from Rock Ridge that arrived last Friday.
Last Friday. Read it. You wild bitch.
Sheriff murdered, church meeting bombed, reign of terror must cease. Send new sheriff immediately.
Holy underwear! Sheriff murdered? Innocent women and children blown to bits? We've got to protect our phony baloney job, gentlemen. We must do something about this immediately. Harumph. I didn't get a harumph out of that guy.
Give the governor harumph.
Harumph? You watch your ass.
Gentlemen, please rest your sphincters.
Well put.
Thank you very much, sir.